Have you ever wondered why we use certain words before nouns?
Not really. What do you mean?
Well, think about when we say a dog is playing. Why do we say a?
Oh, I see. Is it because there could be any dog playing?
Exactly. We use a when we are talking about any member of a group, not a specific one.
That makes sense. But what about the?
Good question. We use the when we are talking about a specific thing, like the tree over there.
Ah, got it. So A is for general and the is for specific.
Exactly. And then there's an, which we use before words that start with vowel sounds.
Oh, like an apple or an orange?
That's right. So articles help us specify whether we are talking about something in general or something specific.
I never realized how important these little words are.
Did you know that articles can even change based on the sound of the next word?
Really? How does that work?
Let me explain further. So, for example,
We use an before words like are, honest, or air because the H is silent and they start with a vowel sound.
Ah, I see. That's why it's an hour and an honest person. It's all about the sound, not just the spelling.
Exactly. And sometimes, even if the word begins with a vowel but produces a consonant sound, we use a, like a university or a 1 rupee coin.
It's like a puzzle. I'm starting to understand how articles work.
learning about articles helps us communicate more effectively. It's like having the right tools to express ourselves clearly.
Definitely. Thanks for breaking it down for me, Janvi. I feel like I've learned a lot today.
Anytime, Akshit. The English language is full of surprises and there's always more to discover.
I can't wait to learn more. Thanks for being such a great teacher, Janvi.